Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we are going over the Mainstay 52-inch flush mount ceiling fan. So this is going to be video is going to be for the unboxing. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the parts that you have. I already laid them out over here on the floor. So over here you have the ceiling fan blades, which you are given 4 of them. Okay. And I already took them out of the plastic already and I separated them. So you have a total of 5 blades. So there you go. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, and there's 5. So the next part that you're going to see is you're going to see the bulb. Okay, it's going to be the LED bulb. It's a 60 watt and energy efficient bulb. The next part that you're going to have is going to be the hanging bracket. All right. And then you have the motor housing right there. And then you have the glass shade. Okay. And then you have the screws. These screws are going to be used to mount the ceiling fan blades to the to the motor assembly. And then you have the screws to fasten the blades to the blade arm. Okay. And then you have the motor assembly. Okay. And then you have the electrical plugs. And then you have the chains, which you can turn on and off for the ceiling fan blades to turn and the light switch. All right. And of course, I bought this. Does not include into the ceiling fan package, but that is the ceiling fan mounting kit. That prevents the ceiling fan from wobbling. That's if you have an issue. So there you go. This is the unboxing of the 52-inch flush mount ceiling fan from Mainstay. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this video. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel for more for the 52-inch Mainstay ceiling fan, flush mount ceiling fan. Hey, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day. Bye.